युतीविषयी निर्णय घेवपा खातीर राष्ट्रवादीन काँग्रेसीक 15 दिसांचो अल्टिमेटम दिला. 15 दिसां भितर युतीविशींची भुमिका स्पश्ट करात. आयत्या टायमार रावशात जाल्यार आमी एकलाच चलो रे करतले. राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षाचो फुडारी प्रफुल्ल पटेलान काँग्रेसीक शिटकायला. युतीविशीं प्रफुल्लाचे विजय सरदेसाय बरोबर उलोवप जाला.
राष्ट्रवादीचो वरिश्ठ फुडारी प्रफुल्ल पटेल काल गोंयांत पावलो. विधानसभा वेंचणुकेचे फाटभुंयेर पटेलात गोंयच्या वरिश्ठ नेत्यां बरोबर चर्चा केली. फाटलीं कितलींशींच वर्सां राष्ट्रवादी वेंचणुका एकलेच करता जाल्यार काँग्रेसी बरोबर हात मेळोवन फुडें वयता. ह्या वेळार गोंया विधानसभा वेंचणुकेंत समविचारी पक्ष येवप गरजेचें आसा. फाटले विधानसभा वेंचणुकेंत राष्ट्रवादीन काँग्रेसी कडेन युतीचो प्रस्ताव दिल्लो, पूण काँग्रेसीन आयत्या वेळार आमचो घात केलो. हे वेंचणुकेंत अशें घडपाक जायना, प्रफुल्ल पटेल म्हणटा.
But in the last assembly elections, though the Congress had agreed to give few seats to the NCP, they postponed taking any decision till the very end, and at the very last minute, almost the day prior to the nominations, they just kept everybody on hold, and as a consequence we fought the election separately. Had we known earlier, we would have been a little bit better prepared and taken a different strategy for contesting the last Vidhan Sabha elections. First, honor the mandate of the people, because they had 17 MLAs. BJP had only 12 or 13. So they had the mandate, but they squandered that mandate. And as I said, we as NCP were, again, in spite of not having contested with them, were responsible enough to extend our support for the formation of a government here in Goa. This time, there has been some informal talks with the Congress party, and they have told us that they are open to consider any alliance with us. We had heard this the last time also, but we waited till the very end and we did not have a good experience. This time we have indicated to them very clearly that they must come forward, and in the month of September itself, in the next 10 to 15 days, they must have a discussion with NCP, and if they have other like-minded parties also in mind, they should complete the discussion so that every party has a few months to prepare in those assembly segments, so that there is a better chance of success. Because if we wait till the last moment, there could be two problems. We don't want to have a repeat of 2017. At least NCP is not ready for waiting that long. And also, once it is decided, then we can work unitedly together and create a good atmosphere in the state of Goa. I have met some people, I will not name all of them, but I have met Vijay Sardesai also, and he has also told me that he is also waiting to hear from the Congress party. Let us see now what happens. I don't want to comment beyond this, but it is important that all political forces who are like-minded should come together as soon as possible in the interest of the state of Goa, the politics of Goa. And as NCP, I can tell you that, as I've mentioned a few of instances of the past, we have been always a very responsible party when it comes to alliances. We have been very responsible and careful, and once we enter into an alliance, I think we have been the most supportive and most responsible party in any alliance, both whether it is Goa, whether it is Maharashtra, any other state, or even at the national level.
गोवा 365 खातीर दोना पावलच्यान श्यामचारी.